Welcome back to the vlog. I know it's been a while, but we have guests. He looks like that because he's married, I think. We got Chris staying here, we got Derek.
What up?
We got Alyssa just chilling, trying to figure out how to play chess because we're beating her brains in every single day. She's been here for about a week now. I'm so sorry. Alright, I gotta go drill a bowling ball for our buddy Jeff. He's coming here, he's bowling nationals with us. Plugged up a ball for him. I gotta go get the ball. Anyways, he's like a brother to us. Kyle, he's here. Zach and KT are staying here as well. Alyssa's sister Brianna's staying here. The Shannon Cannon will be coming in today. Jeff and his girlfriend is staying here. There's a lot of people staying in my house. And wait, where'd he go? Where'd the Halo Pearl go? I'll be right back, I gotta find it. Oh, there it is. So we're here in the garage! And Chris I was just gonna go with it. But Chris is switching his pitch black. Best bowler in the world. Debatable, but I'm just gonna keep saying it. It's a lot. It's not a lot. At one point, you probably were. What are we doing? Oh yeah, it's two-handed, so easy. We filled the holes, and now we're gonna, we got Alyssa behind the camera today. She does good cinematic work.
Sometimes.
Let us know in the comments. She's thinking about moving to Vegas. Moving in with me. Kyle's actually thinking about moving to Vegas too. We can make a content house. Alyssa's really good at taking pictures for social media. Like, she's been sending me and Mikey pictures all week. I'm like, wow, they're pretty good.
I was told that we were gonna go to breakfast, but that was obviously a lie because they're gonna drill some balls and then they're gonna go practice.
Are you just complaining to the vlog?
No, I'm just letting them know. Let's get to this drilling.
We're back at GameWorks. We're filming today. I don't know what we're filming, but we're filming some stuff. Chris with the sick shoe box thingy. It's like a Nike.
New trend. Starting a new trend.
Starting a new trend. Yes. Sneakers are coming alive in the PBA. We've always kind of been into sneakers, but now everybody else is getting into them.
You know the key to being a professional bowler? You don't carry just one accessory bag. You carry two.
Right now we're going to pick up
Jeff and Amanda.
Yeah, at the airport.
Yeah, so we had to put shooting videos on hold. We're gonna pick them up. Where am I going? Okay, not that way.
Passenger pickup.
And then we're gonna head back to the bowling center because Jeff hasn't thrown a bowling ball in like 2 years. He's bowling nationals on our team. He has no bowling balls, just brought bowling shoes, I hope. And we drilled a ball for him. We're gonna see how he throws it, figure out his PAP, and then we're gonna drill a couple more balls and hopefully they strike a lot.
There he is.
There they are.
GameWorks.
We're back at GameWorks. We got Jeff and Amanda. Now he's gonna go try his new bowling ball. But new to him. It's got Chris's good juju in it, so hopefully it strikes a lot. Yeah, we're back. Mikey's shooting a video right now. I think you guys are really gonna be interested in that one. We shot a video before we went to go pick up Jeff at the airport. Definitely gonna wanna check that one out. Strike Derby, we'll see who wins. If 4 of us bowling, it should be pretty entertaining.
Lighting though. So nice.
Okay, yeah, all you guys try to run this way.
It's literally a whole production.
What are we doing for the rest of the day? We gotta go get some lunch, and then apparently there's dinner at my house. There's like 40 people coming. I'm gonna lock myself in my room. Whoever wants to join can join. What's up?
We're currently getting lunch at Cane's.
First time, Cane's.
First time ever. Should I eat the bread first?
Yeah, bread with sauce.
Working hard, super hard, cutting fruit, very nice. What does your hat say? Oh yeah, oh my God, knife. You cut that pineapple real nice.
Thank you.
Are you having fun?
Totally.
Not a whole lot of direction going on, so we're just kind of trying to get this house together. It's a mess, but there's gonna be a lot of people here, and we have no idea what we're doing. Yo, check this out. This is hilarious. So I have 2 desks in my room. Kyle's playing right here. We're about to get a 3-stack going. Jeff's setting up right next to my bed. He's got a whole desk for a mouse pad. That's my keyboard. And then I'm playing where I normally play. Yeah, we're gonna get some games in before everyone shows up, and this just becomes a... I don't even know what to say what this is gonna be. It's currently 10 degrees hotter than it should be, but there's a lot of people here. We're celebrating Mikey and Mary's, it's like a pre-wedding celebration, like I said. But there's a lot of people here. Yeah. This is my cousin Marcus. Hey! Sandy. There's a lot going on. And these are my cousins. My cousin's kids. They're too cool for everybody else downstairs, so they're just chilling up here. On the most comfortable couch in the world. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Well, everyone's gone, almost. Jesse showed up. Chilling for a little bit, and then Mikey gets married tomorrow. Again. I don't think Derek's okay.
Okay.
Alright, well, that was a pretty busy day. We shot some videos. Yeah, I literally just hung out upstairs the whole time. It was, 1, it was too hot, 2, it was kind of loud, 3, I'm just kind of introverted. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next vlog when, actually it might be the wedding. We might vlog tomorrow. Wow, life's moving fast.